Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use camera shortcuts on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you're using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to use camera shortcuts, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your camera, then go for settings. In settings, open more settings, and then you'll get the setting of quick action for camera. You must have to enable it first, and then read the description, which is double press the volume down button to launch camera with when the screen is off. So it's mean when our screen will be off, we can easily access our camera with double pressing the volume down button. So let's try this. Just lock your screen, then double press the volume down just like this, and then your camera will be launched. So that's how you can easily use camera shortcuts on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.